Hello, all rapid sell buyers for the Ken and Evelyn McKay auction. We're going to just fire up a couple of vehicles here for your piece of machinery. First is the Case 580 Backhoe two-wheel drive. As you can see, it's in good shape for the year of it. The bucket's not all beat up at all. The hydraulics are all tight and moving. It's a two-wheel drive. As you can see, it's got a little bit of sun fading to it, but again, all the sheet metal work is solid, tight, and it's not rusted through to any extent other than the service pitting here. You can see I've got the owner-operator, Mr. McKay, in the backhoe, and we'll start that up here shortly. So you still have tread remaining on the tires. Your stabilizer bars, you can tell that they again have used operation, and there's no major oil leaks. The hoses are all nice and tight. They have been, it looks like they have been replaced over time at some point. So it's just a straight 580D backhoe boom with the digging bucket there. Looks like it's either a 24-inch bucket on it, looks like it, or 22-inch, somewhere in there. But again, we'll just get Ken McKay to fire it up and get it started up, and you'll just take a look and hear it go. Lots of down pressure. Nice and smooth operating, not all jiggly. Think of the stumps and stones you can remove with that. Look at that. Just scratch the hair on the back of your, just like that. Precision operation. Nicely done. You can see it's a stick joysticks. Nice and tight and steady. So anyways, you can see that he's an operator extraordinaire. The only bad news I have for you, I don't think his wife Evelyn will let him come to operate it for you. But again, it's got the shuttle to it. It's in good, smooth, clean operating condition. And it looks like it's been well serviced and maintained for the age of it too. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, here's your opportunity for your 580D Case backhoe. And here is your chance. Enjoy it.